So si ma'am,
room is strictly not smoking area po is outside sa driveway will. Then also please avoid henna tattoo stains or any damages to avoid charges po. Then outside food like chicken, pizza, smelly foods including durian or any cooked foods po or smelly foods is not allowed po siya. But you can bring like snack strips or any drinks naman po. Then we do have standard check-in time 3 o'clock and standard check-out time 12 o'clock.
Okay. So yung mga portable drone, hindi bawal dito?
Yung ano po?
Yung mga portable na drone, yung mga selfie drone.
Okay naman po siya outside po sir. Marami naman din pong sa mga activities po. Marami din pong nag-a-avail or nag-rent other.
Hindi, ibig sabihin may dala kaming drone eh.
Yes po. But
Pero yung latest lang ngayon na parang selfie drone lang. Yung Neo.
pwede naman.
Parang may souvenir lang ba kami?
Then for your breakfast tomorrow po, start 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Dito lang po siya sa restaurant namin, sa Orchard Cafe po. You can just simply say your room number for that one. Then for more information, you can read this one. We do also offer here massage, buffet hopping sa different tenant properties po, since we do have 7 properties. Romantic dinner and also activities po ma'am sir. If you want to have reservation for an activity, we do have activities na right there lang po. You can just approach them.
Tulad na?
Magkano para selling?
Para sailing here po ma'am sir, it depends po kung how many minutes po. We do have also solo or 2 or 3.
Gusto nyo magparamotor? Kayo lang, dahil experience lang.
Sa presyo din ako nahirap.
You can check this out naman.
Okay, sige. Pag-aralan natin yun.
Nasa Boracay ka na, ginastusan mo yung aeroplano mo, yung hotel mo, yung ano mo, ayaw.
Wala
May memorable experience kasi yan eh. Yung pera kikitain pa yan.
Babalik at babalik.
Oo. Kaya ka pumunta rito para mag-enjoy eh. Ayan, naka-vlog tayo. Pinapangaralan ko si Mrs. kasi nagkaano na naman ng budget eh. Ay, thank you guys.